Hey you guys, my name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. Welcome to my channel. If you all would like to see how I got this super cute design, with these bomb curls, then just stay tuned. I'm going to show you exactly how I got it. Okay guys, so like in most of my videos, I am starting off on clean and deconditioned hair. I washed and deconditioned my hair the night before, and all that's in my hair right now is the oil, which I just showed you. And as you see right now, I am unraveling my hair. Y'all can see that my hair is detangled because, you know, it's deconditioned from the night before. So this is how my hair is looking. This is how my color is looking. My color in my hair is getting old since I last dyed it. Like, it's starting to fade quite a bit because, like I mentioned in my dyeing hair video, I use a semi-permanent color, so it's starting to fade, as you can see. But this is what it's looking like. It's very healthy still, but you know, it's starting to fade. This is the new growth I have right here, which you see my hair has grown out about an inch. So I was very shook, very impressed. But that is how my hair is looking, and my hair smells good from my shampoo. But as y'all seen in the beginning of the video, I am doing this crisscross style in the top center of my head. So right here, you just see me parting my hair and making sure the lines are straight. And I'm going to do a square or a rectangle, should I say, right at the top of my head. Doing 2 rows with 3 sections in each row. So since it's 2, I'm splitting my hair right down the middle, as you see here, and then I'm going to get started on, you know, perfecting each little section, which I will show you in just a bit. So to prep this first row, I'm going to first spritz my hair with water just so I can start the moisture and detangling process. So once I get that fully, you know, pretty damp, I'm going to take my Evolve brush, which is pretty much like a Denman brush, and start to detangle my hair ends to roots. That's the best way to detangle to avoid breakage. But once I get that done, I'm going to go in with this Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day leave-in conditioner, a nice amount, and work that through this section. And yeah, I'm just going to work it through, and then I'm going to get started separating each little part. Once I get this first section parted pretty straight, I'm going to go ahead and get out my edges, my little baby hairs right in the front, and start to lay them just a little bit with this Gorilla Snot in the purple jar, and just lightly lay it. I'm just trying to get it to a place where when I put my rubber band on the section, it's not being like constricted. I would say like it's already laid pretty much. And I'm actually going to go ahead and get the edges out the corner out the way, just so you know that is safe. It's not being tugged either. And I'm going to moisturize this first section with this Aloe Rose Bentonite Clay Souffle leave-in conditioner. As you see, I took a nice amount, and I'm mostly, as you see, moisturizing my roots. My roots actually do get pretty dry, like I got dry scalp. So once I get that in, I'm going to go in again with the Gorilla Snot gel and put that around the section, and then go in with my comb first, and then my toothbrush that I use for my edges, and just brush it into place. And once I get that done, I'm going to go in with a rubber band and just tie this section up nice and tight. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. And then I'm going to repeat the same process to the section behind it. But when I do that, I'm actually going to connect it. So it's going to go straight back into the next section. You will see in just a second. But this is how this first section is looking, by the way. Okay, so as you see right here, once I get done moisturizing this second section, I'm going to pick up the first section, as you see right here, and connect it to that section and put in my rubber band. And I'm actually going to do the same thing again. So all three of these sections are going to be connected just on this one row. And then this right here is how the first two look. And in just a moment, you will see how it looks with all three of them done. So this is all three rows done. And now I'm going to go in with the Curlastic Brulee, which you see right here. And I'm going to just put that on my length of my hair in this little ponytail, just to make sure that, you know, it stays in place first of all. And then it has curl definitions at its end, and you will see why in just a moment. So this right here is the second row done. As you see, it's just going straight back. Very simple, very easy, but it looks very sleek. So now I'm taking my comb and I am making a middle part down the middle. So it might look weird since it's just a straight middle part starting from the front to the back, but it's going to look cute and have some contrast in a minute. But as you can see, my part is pretty straight, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So I put up one side and I'm getting started on this side, which you see here. And I am first spritzing my hair with water so I can first detangle my hair, just to start the moisturizing and styling process. So just like I did in the top, I'm going in with that Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day Leave-In Conditioner and applying a nice amount of that. And yeah, so I'm just working that all the way through my hair. And I'm focusing on important parts. So as you see, I'm just spritzing some more on my ends. But once I get that thoroughly worked in, I'm finally going in with my brush and again detangling. And it's not hard to detangle this section. It's kind of easy. But yeah, I'm going in with my comb as well, just to speed up the process. Because like I mentioned before, that brush can be so tedious sometimes. So it's just easier to go in with the comb. That doesn't matter. I'm just letting y'all know. But now I'm going in with the bentonite clay souffle leave-in conditioner and applying a nice amount of that and working that through my hair, making sure I get my hair nice and coated and moisturized. As you see, I'm just using my Evolve brush to kind of brush back my hair before I go in with my bristle brush. But this is where the contrast comes in that I mentioned. So as you see, I am taking the last section on the opposite side of my hair and crossing it over to this side. So I'm going in with my bristle brush now, as you see, and I'm just laying my hair down, just to get it nice and smooth to start off with before I go in with any gel, which you will see in just a moment. I'm going in with my Gorilla Snot gel, my favorite gel. Y'all know this got so much hold, but I'm applying it and I'm making sure to lay down my hair in the section that I crossed over. And again, that crossed over section is what's going to add the contrast. And I believe I'm doing the other side off camera, but you will see the product, the finished product, after it's done. Although the base of my hair is nice and sleek, I did want really nice curls in my ponytail, so I'm going to treat these ponytails pretty much like a wash and go, basically how I did in my last low sleek ponytail video and how I got those defined curls. That's how I'm getting this. So I'm going in with my comb first to detangle, and then I believe I'm going in with my brush. Yeah, I am. And then I'm going to start applying more products. Since y'all saw, I already applied the Day Hair Milk in the bentonite clay souffle leave-in conditioner. So all I'm applying now is the Curlastic Gruely gel from the Aloe Rose collection by GROVEDA Hair Solutions, and I'm just gonna work that in thoroughly, making sure I get my ends, because at this point I do need a trim, y'all, but just making sure I get my ends. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of gel. Well, not gel. Go in with a nice amount of oil to seal in my moisture, and then I'm gonna go and actually shingle my hair. I was not too specific with it. I would say I did it very quickly, very loosely, because I just wanted like generalized defined curls. It didn't have to be too small and too tedious or anything. So once I get done shingling it, as you saw, I just kind of, shook it a little bit, and I did my edges off camera on this side, but this is what the wet results are looking like. And I did the other side off camera, which you see right now, and my hair looks very sleek and very beautiful, if I say so myself. I really do like the way it looks. And now y'all know I love my Pump It Up Spritz Spray. So I'm going to take that, as you see here, and just apply that all over the sleek part of my hair, just to make sure my hair has hold and stays in place. And once I do that, I'm going to go in with my silk scarf, wrap my hair up real good, and allow my hair to set for a little while. And y'all will see the final results in just a second. Then this is the final results of this super sleek look. As you can tell, my ponytails have a lot of definition. My hair is so sleek and smooth. The little design I did in the top is perfect. I love the contrast the crisscross part gave my hair, and my hair just looks really freaking good, if I say so myself. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result of the look. I really did think that I would be making these into buns. I was gonna put it up in 2 buns, like, just 2 buns to give it, I don't know, a nice different look. But I kind of like the length. I kind of wish I had poofier, fuller hair, so it could like fill it out more, if that makes sense, if you get what I'm trying to say. But that's okay. I like the length and I love my definition. If I decide to change it, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, y'all, that is about it. I got such beautiful definition, and I was shocked by all that new growth. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you all enjoyed it, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.